What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys my five weeks 360 waves update after my scalp. Well, not scalp fully, but like kind of scalp, you feel me? Because I still had to, you know what I mean. But yeah, man, I appreciate everyone, every last one of you guys that's been supporting me for the past couple weeks after the scalp. And today I'm going to show y'all the progress, what I'm working with. And this is actually my second week wolfing, alright? And I'm probably gonna go for about 10 weeks depending on how I'm feeling, but the goal is 8 weeks. After 8 weeks, if I feel like I could go 2 more weeks, I'm gonna do it. If I feel like I'm not gonna be motivated to brush every day, then I'm gonna cut it down. But y'all, this is my 5th week update and we are starting right now.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, so from the looks of things, you can already see my hair is growing back pretty fast. This is week 5 after the scalp, and it's, you know, it's growing back pretty fast. So with this whole process, the brushes that I'm using are these two are my main brushes, the 360 Merch brushes, and I'm actually doing a hard brush in the process. Alright, so my hair is able to handle a hard brush, but not every day. If I brush with a hard brush every single day, then that's not gonna be good for my scalp. But yeah guys, so I'm going with a hard brush, and as you guys can see, this is my weak side. My weak side, this is actually the side that I changed the way I brush, because now I'm brushing at an angle and I am brushing the sides straight down instead of an angle. Alright, so the back right, I'm brushing at an angle. The right side, I'm brushing straight down. This is the 540 with the swirl, so I'm actually working on my crown and then my right side. My right side is my weak side, so every time I start my brush sessions, I always start on my right side. This right is actually the 360 Merch new brushes that just dropped. So you guys want to get those, use my discount code 360 Juice for 10% off. This brush is amazing. The bristle feels like 100% wood. You're actually brushing your hair with wood and it feels great. It has great pull, amazing pull. I love the look of this brush. Everything about it is amazing, and it's a curved brush. It works perfectly for my next pattern. Yeah, and as you guys can see, again, I'm starting with my weak side with this brush. So guys, when it comes to the right, my left side was my strong side when I was doing 360s, and it looks like it's my strong side going into 540s. I don't really have to change a lot on my left side. I'm basically still brushing the same way as I was with my 360s. The only side that I really changed was my right side. And of course, I am at my curl length. I'm 2 weeks in with my wolf. This is my curl length, and I can actually start to see my waves getting a little deeper, and I can actually start to see my waves forming and connections starting to form and everything. That's why I tell you guys you have to wolf, because your curl length is very important to getting waves. And this is a 360 Merch Ultra Soft brush. This brush is, I have no idea why this is so soft. This is the absolutely softest brush I've ever put on my head. It feels like a baby's brush. Like, it's made out of 100% gold bristles. You guys can also get this brush. Link is down in my description. Use my discount code 360 Juice to get 10% off. This brush feels amazing on my scalp. It feels like, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like silk. Like, you guys can see, I can actually brush my face with it, touch my face, and it doesn't hurt at all. It feels like a cloud. I don't know what clouds feel like, but that's what it feels like, man. It feels like you're brushing your hair with a cloud. It's so soft, and it actually lays down the tiniest frizz that you can find on your head. That's how soft it is, and it's very important to finish up your brush sessions. And as you guys can see right here, I'm trying to brush my crown, and my crown is really the hardest part for me, because this is my first time actually brushing my crown this way. The other brush angles aren't that difficult for me, but it's just my crown. The crown is kind of like, I have to get used to it. Yeah, I'm working on my crown, working on my right side, and about 2 more weeks, the connections will start to come in perfectly to my liking, and I'm going to be 4 weeks wolfing with 4 more weeks to go till I hit 8 weeks, and then we could call it a wolf session. Alright guys, this is my 5 weeks update. It's not really a long video, okay? I'm just showing you guys my progress and showing you guys that I hit my curl length, and actually my weak side is my right side. I'm working on my crown. Everything else looks perfectly fine, and I'm used to everything else except for brushing my right side and my crown. In about 3 more weeks, if I keep brushing every single day, I will definitely get used to this new pattern and then make it my own, you feel me? Absolutely, my right side is my weak side, so therefore I start brushing my right side every single brush session. I always start off with my right side and end up with my left side. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to copy your 360 Merch brushes, the Gold Bristle Ultimate Soft Brush. Yo, you have to get this to know what I'm talking about. It is absolutely the softest brush I've ever brushed my hair with. Alright, go copy 360 Merch brushes. Use my discount code 360juice to get 10% off. Link is down in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you're wondering what video to watch next, it's gonna be up here. Click it, watch it, pay attention, and take notes. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm out of here. Peace.